Competitions Director at the Portmore Sports Association, Chadwick White, says after 3 stagings, the number of schools for this year's 4th staging have almost tripled.
So the first, second and third year we had 6 schools. For this year now we saw massive growth where we are now at 16 schools for this year. So for some of the events for this year we're trying to mix it up a bit. So we have the flat race, we have potato race, we have the obstacle race. We recently included the hurdles race and the underarm show, trying to bring in the field, in track and field.
White says schools as far away as Portland have made inquiries about competing, but they had to have a cutoff point, and there's a possibility of expansion for future stagings. Most of the schools taking part are from the parishes of St. Catherine, Kingston, and St. Andrew.
We're still getting calls for schools that are interested in joining on and being a part of the initiative, but because at current it's just a one-day initiative, we have to be very mindful of the time that it will take to do a race, and they are babies, so we need to allocate lunchtime, etc. So we have to cut it off for now at 16 schools. Maybe next year we look to do a 2-day event and invite more schools.
Silverstone Basic School out of Portmore are the defending champions. However, there are several schools that will be nipping at their heels for the title.
I know it's something that is very important because there are so many children who didn't get this opportunity. Some of us, if we have gotten this opportunity from an early age, some of us would be going very far. So it's very good when you observe some children who have the ability, then you allow them to excel.
Our training preparation is going excellent, yes. Because when we go to training, also ensure that the children, encourage the children, also ensure that they're having fun at the same time.
I believe that sports helps to keep a child rounded, well-rounded. It's not all about academics, and I thought this was a best competition to have the babies to enter into, to get the exposure and the experience, as well as to help develop them in the sports.
World Championship 110-meter hurdles bronze medalist Tyler Mason was on hand at the launch of the competition.
A critical time for me, I discovered that I was good in track and field at this level. I remember running at sports day and beating all the guys that were training for the championships.
The competition is set to get underway on Thursday, May 7. Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.